Hello 3D plotters, my name is Rosa Maras and I'm the founder of 3dplotter.xyz. In this video we're gonna see how you can add text in your drawings. We're gonna do it through the sidebar and we're gonna press Object and Text. Here you can choose single line, outline, hatched and solid. You have a wide selection of fonts, but also you can add your own. Through the settings, you can do handwriting. So you select one of the letters, you go and draw it with your touchpad, your mouse or your stylus. And what it's going to do is when you select handwriting, it's going to choose for each letter one random version of the one you designed. So this way it gives the handwritten feeling. We're not going to dive deeper in this feature because we're going to see it in a different video. Also, you can add your own stroke fonts like Hershey and JSON, but also you can add your custom fonts like TTF or OTF. In this drawing we're going to do today, it is influenced by the place that I am currently for vacations. As I told you in a previous video, I'm in a tiny island called Agios Efstratios, which has a very heavy past. In the 50s, it was a place of exile for people that they were against the government, people that they believe in communism. So a lot of artists, poets, actors were exiled here. One of them was Giannis Ritsos, a very important poet of Greece. So what we're going to do is we're going to use two tools of 3D Plotter. First, we're going to go to the map, which is in the bundle version, and we're going to go and find the tiny island that we are in. As you see, is this tiny island called Agios Efstratios. We're going to deselect the roads and we're going to generate. So now we're going to add it in the 3D plotter and you can see it, we have it here. I want to put it a bit higher. And now we're going to add the poem of Giannis Ritsos. This poem was written here in Agios Efstratios. And we're going to go add object, text, gonna make it smaller, select Greek and paste it. So what this poem says is that the earth has memory, the place, the sea, so much that even if you dig a little, maybe a little bit more than usual, you might hear something. Now, since we have everything ready, we're gonna export it and we're gonna draw it in our printer. In the video, you're gonna see the finished result. It was Rose. Thank you a lot.